Kung hindi ka marunong mag-structure ng workout split mo effectively, tuturuan kita. Make sure to finish this video because this is literally free value. So, unang-una, copy this workout split. It's either 3 times a week, 4 times a week, or 5 times a week. So, yung common goal natin dito is to hit each muscle group 2 to 3 times a week to maximize muscle growth. Let's proceed. So, unang-una is 3 times workout split. So, dalawa yung pwede nating pagpilian. Unang-una is yung 3 times a week full body every other day. So, as you can see, literal talaga na full body siya. And yung sample workout flow niya is full body sa Monday, Tuesday rest, Wednesday full body, Thursday rest, Friday full body, Saturday and Sunday rest. Now, yung cons naman dito is it takes too much time with a lot of exercises. So, kung hindi mo kaya, let's proceed to the alternate sa 3 times a week. So, gagawin natin isang workout A and isang workout B. Workout A will be chest, shoulder, triceps, and abs. Workout B will be back, legs, and biceps. So, magiging ganito yung itsura niya. For example, sa week 1, workout A mo sa Monday, Wednesday workout B, Friday is workout A. So, A, B, A. The following week or week 2, workout B sa Monday, workout A sa Wednesday, and then workout B sa Friday. So, B, A, B. So, as you can see, nag-alternate siya. And sa week 3 naman, gagawin mo, babalik ka sa ABA. So, magiging structure nito, ABA, next week, BAB, following week, ABA. So, ganun lang. So on and so forth. Next one is 4 times a week workout split. Now, personally, this is my favorite kasi sweet spot siya. I don't get to spend too much time sa gym. At the same time, it is my muscle group twice a week. So, yung 4 times a week option naman natin, sample workout flow. Monday is upper body, buong upper body. Tuesday is lower body, Wednesday rest, or pwede kang mag-cardio active rest day. Thursday is upper body, Friday is lower body, Saturday and Sunday is rest. Now, kung ayaw mo ng ganito, pwede kang mag-stick with option 2 na 4 times a week. Sample workout flow is Monday, chest, shoulder, triceps, and abs. Tuesday naman, back, legs. Pwede kang maglagay ng biceps dito. And then Wednesday rest. Thursday naman, chest, shoulder, tricep, and abs. Friday, back, legs, and also bicep kung gusto mo maglagay. And Saturday, Sunday, rest. Ganun ka straightforward. Now, you have to note that 2 days yung workout mo, isang rest day, and then 2 days workout ulit. So, just make sure you don't work out 3 days in a row kasi this is structured to give your muscle group ample recovery time before hitting it again. Next one is 5 times a week workout split. If you're the type of guy or type of girl na marami kang oras sa gym and you just enjoy being in the gym, this can probably work for you. Now, sample workout flow is Monday, push exercises, chest, shoulders, triceps. Pwede ka maglagay ng abs. Tuesday is pull exercises, back, biceps. Wednesday naman, all legs, okay? Thursday is rest. Friday is pure upper body. Saturday is lower body. Sunday, baby time or whatever you want to do, okay? So, ganito ka straightforward yung gagawin mo sa 5 times a week workout split. Now, etong 3 times, 4 times a week, 5 times a week na split na binigay ko sa inyo, they all work perfectly fine. Yung gagawin mo lang talaga is choose one that is sustainable sa schedule mo and sa lifestyle mo, okay? Neither one is superior than the other, okay? Pinaka number one factor talaga na magiging effective yung workout split is una-una if you can adhere to it, you can stick to it, and maging consistent ka, okay? Kasi kahit pa yung pinaka the best workout split yung ginagawa mo, kung hindi ka naman consistent, walang mangyayari. Now, bonus tips pala for you guys. Now, I won't be giving you certain okay, actually, pwede natin yung bumalik dito. So, ito yung some of the exercises that you can choose, which I personally do. Okay? Except the bench press. I don't do really bench press anymore. I do chest press machines, ganun, as likes. But anyways, going back, bonus tips tayo. Okay? Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong machines or kung home workout ka or sa gym ka or kung anong mga equipment available sa'yo. So kaya hindi ako makakapagbigay ng certain exercises. So you just can refer sa sample dito like sa chest, shoulder, triceps, etc., etc., etc. But ito yung bonus tips. So make sure lang you're working out 6 to 12 working sets per muscle group per week. Depende sa recovery mo. So you can start with 6 working sets per muscle group per week. Kung medyo nabibitin ka, you can amp it up. Pero make sure to observe lang talaga if you are recovering well. Depende sa working sets na katawan mo kasi iba't iba tayo ng recovery. Next one is compound exercises. For compound exercise, coach, ano ba yung compound exercises? These are multi-jointed exercise. So, yung compound exercise is you are hitting multiple muscle groups at once. For example, bench press. Sa bench press, hindi lang chest yung natatamaan. Natatamaan yung chest, yung shoulders, yung tricep. So, it is considered as compound exercise. Let's say, for example, sa leg, squats. Squats, natatamaan yung glutes mo, natatamaan yung quads mo. Okay? So, it is considered a compound exercise. Now, sa compound exercise mo, go for 6 to 8 reps. That's a sweet spot for me. And have at least 3 minutes of rest. Okay? Sa isolation exercise naman, coach, ano yung isolation exercise? Isolation exercises are single-jointed movement. For example, bicep curl. Literal, bicep lang tinatamaan. Or let's say, for example, leg extensions. Hindi na nagagamit yung glutes mo compared sa barbell squats, kundi just yung quads mo lang talaga. Yun yung isolation exercise. Now, for isolation exercise, you can go for 6 to 10 reps. I usually prefer a little bit higher sa rep range dito kasi nga mas nafe-feel ko talaga siya. And since isolation exercise siya, but you can go with 6 to 8 reps. Okay, but me personally, I go for 6 to 10 reps. Rest naman dito is 1 to 2 minutes of rest, or you can even go to 3 minutes of rest each set. And always lagi yung tatandaan, you have to implement progressive overload. Kung gusto nyo magka-resulta sa fitness journey nyo, gusto mong lumaki yung katawan mo. Okay? Kasi you will never see someone na malaki yung katawan who is lifting light weights or yung pink na dumbbell. So make sure basically the thought is you have to get stronger sa exercise mo. So if you want another video kung paano gagawin yung progressive overload, comment down below. I can make a video for that. But anyways, this is how I can further help you. Okay? I have a 90-day SmartFit system. So ano bang laman ng 90-day SmartFit system? Una-una is it is a 14-part video course. Okay? May video course sa loob as you can see dito. Ayan. So what this covers is it covers yung proper workout mo, nutrition, supplements, and tuturuan din kita how to cut and how to bulk. So bali all-in-one na lahat ng kailangan mo malaman sa fitness journey mo. Next one is you will have direct access to me and my team in regards to questions. So, if you ever encounter hiccups along the way sa fitness journey mo, you can just post a group and then we will be responding to your questions para matulungan ka namin. And also, this is a community coaching, okay? Clarify ko lang, hindi to one-on-one coaching. But, speaking of one-on-one coaching, if you prefer one-on-one coaching, I also prefer one-on-one personalized coaching. Now, ano ba meron sa one-on-one personalized coaching? From the name itself, ikaw and coach. One-on-one. Now, what you will get here is you will have personalized workout nutrition programming, depende sa goals mo. Meron kang 24/7 support. Syempre, pag tulog yung coach, hindi makaka-reply. But basically, 24/7, you get the point. Weekly video call check-ins just to make sure we are on track sa trajectory mo, sa goals mo. And we will be giving you a tangible roadmap based on your goals and meron tayong timeline. So, we will not be shooting in the dark or parang suntok sa buwan lang na programming. Hindi. Depende sa kung anong package kukunin mo, ilang months, etc., etc., we will be setting a tangible roadmap para alam natin kung saan tayo papupunta. Depende sa goal mo. Okay? Meron tayong habit tracker and syempre, pinaka-importante is accountability partner. If you are the type of person na nahihirapang maging consistent all on your own. Kasi the coach will be there to help you. And as always, don't stop hanggat hindi ka pa masarap.